Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset camera settings in your iPhone. Let's get started. So, if your camera always opens with settings you don't want or you just want it back to original default, here's what you need to do. Open up settings. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on camera. Inside camera settings, you will see photograph styles. Simply tap onto it. And just like that, if you changed this before, switch back to standard. Tap on Use Standard, and just like that, you will return back to default look. Now, if that does not fix your issue, the camera settings cannot be fully reset on their own. So the only option to reset is go back to Settings, tap on General, scroll below, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Now, you need to go ahead and simply choose Reset All Settings. This resets all system settings including camera settings without deleting your data. The other option is to look for default camera settings online and change each one manually if you don't want to reset everything. That's it. These are the ways to reset your camera settings on your phone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.